It's TEMU time. I went on the internet and I bought this. I like saying that because it's like Jeremy Clarkson. Just a quick couple of things here. Crunch. Oh, let's have a look what we've got. You may have seen I've got lots of mushroom preparation videos trying to grow mushrooms in summer. And part of that is for this. Part of that is for this. And part of this is for that. And that is... got to try and open it without actually cutting the contents. There we go. If you've been watching some of my other videos, you'll see I'm trying to grow summer mushrooms. And one of the problems we have with summer mushrooms is it's summer. And that's hot. We've had a run of 40 plus degree days last week. So I've got some heat reflecting material to go on the outside. So it's just reflective, try and keep it a little bit cooler. What else have we got hidden in here? Oh, now this is a fun one. This is more about wishful thinking. Has anyone grown bananas? If you're growing bananas, let me know. But once you've got bananas off a banana tree, you've got to cut it down. So I bought this. And I'm not sure how well it's going to go. And considering I don't even have any bananas yet, not even a banana flower, that's why it's wishful thinking, I'm not sure I'll ever use it. But we have a trouble getting machetes into this country. Police seem to think we're going to use it for people, but all I want to do is cut down banana trees. So I've got this little fella, and it cost me an entire, I think, $9. And there he is there. So just a little hook blade to try and cut my bananas down. And it feels sharp. Not sure what we can try it on. But there we go. Isn't that good? Just a little garden knifey thing. We'll try that out later. Okay, so a couple more things in here, which are actually really interesting. This is one of them. We have a fly problem, so I've got some fly baits. And these are just the sticky tapes that you hang down. We'll see how they go. And finally, I just got another set of strip lights. I did a comparison of lights in my little greenhouse, and these strip lights seem to work better than the panel lights. So we'll put those in as well around Bruce, the grow house. We're about to get the fly things out. And let's see if we can actually unravel it without it coming out of the... Here we go. Now we just let that unravel. We can pin it to something. Come up here. Just pin it through there, stick it on there. It should keep it there, but they tend to come out. We'll see if they actually attract any flies. But they were cheap. Let it unravel. Old-fashioned flypaper. There we go. We'll see how they go. And now for this. Here is Bruce. And our problem is the sun hits it here. So what we want to do is we'll tape this down. On the side. That's long enough. Right, let's try and get this silver lining on Bruce here. Try and keep the sun out of him when it's getting really hot. So all we're going to do is initially grab the end of it, take that over here and tape it on. Get our kniff. I've put it down the side here to stop the wind getting underneath and blowing it off. We'll do the same down here. Right, let's see if that keeps it a bit cooler. If it doesn't, I might put some on the front here too. Huh, worked better than I expected. That worked a lot better than I expected. As long as I don't chop my own leg off. That's going to be the problem. I'm going to do that. There we go. It sort of works. That's our TEMU time for today. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.